Hello everyone and welcome back to Sign Language Worship. My name is Mandy and I'm so glad that you are here. Sign Language Worship is a YouTube channel dedicated to teaching you how to use sign language in order to worship God. This week we're learning a new song. We're learning Worthy by Elevation Worship. It's a great song. Sometimes I feel like songs are like anthems that just like really get you excited and get you going. And then sometimes worship songs are like this one, where it feels like such a beautiful, intimate prayer between us and God. So I'm excited to share it with you. I hope you're excited to learn it, and we'll get started right away on verse 1 after housekeeping. Remember, I am left-handed. If you are right-handed, you're going to mirror my signs. Look below this video in the description, especially if you're a newcomer. You'll find lots of helpful links like printing off lyrics. And last but not least, please subscribe to the channel or check out the website, signlanguageworship.com. Okay, starting with verse 1. It was my cross you bore is the first line. Okay, so, sorry, there's a fly here, it's annoying. Okay, my cross. Okay, so for cross, you just take your dominant hand and you mimic a cross. Okay, cross. My cross, you, pointing to God in heaven, and then bore. So for bore, you kind of have your fist like this with your thumb up a little bit, and go twice from your mouth to your chin, and then through, okay? Hardship to go through. Was my cross you bore, so I could live in the freedom you died for, okay? So okay, your pinky here at your chest, I could live, making L's, coming in towards your stomach and then up towards your ribs. Okay? We get a little higher so you can see it. There we go. Okay? Life. Live in the freedom. So for this one, you're making F's. You're starting here in the middle, and then coming out. Okay? It doesn't really matter if you start crossed or start like this. The point is, come out. Freedom. Okay? Freedom. Freedom, you, pointing to God in heaven, and then died. So for died, you have your dominant hand up, your non-dominant hand down, and you flip them. Okay? That you died. And then for, you don't have to do it, but if you want to do it, it's your index finger of your dominant hand starting in and then turning it out. Okay, let's try that line again. So I could live in the freedom, sorry, I did in there, but you don't need to do. Freedom you died for. Let's try that again. I could live in the freedom you died for. And now my life is yours. So for now, this is a sign we've done a couple times, but you'll need to learn it if this is your first song. You take your hands like this, so your middle fingers are bent and your thumb and your pinkies are out. Now. Okay? Now. Now my, okay, and then life, you've learned that again, life, and then is yours. So for this, we're gonna do give. So you make two G's, and give is a directional sign. So it's something we have that we're giving to God in heaven. Okay, give. Let's try that line now. And now my life is yours. And now my life is yours. I will sing of your goodness forevermore. You can do will if you want. It's just a flat hand kind of going out. You don't have to though. So I sing. You have your non-dominant hand out and your dominant hand is showing the melody. Okay? Sing of your, pointing to God in heaven, goodness. So goodness, you're here at your chin and you come down. Good. Okay? Good. Good. Your goodness, and then forevermore. So for this, you go around, and then flipping it, you have that same hand as you have at the now, and you push it out. Okay? Around and push out. Around and push out. And that's everything. So let's run that through twice, okay? It was my cross you bore that I could live in the freedom you died for. And now my life is yours, and I will sing of your goodness forevermore. Okay, one more time. It was my cross you bore, so I could live in the freedom you died for. And now my life is yours, and I will sing of your goodness forevermore. And that is verse 1. Okay, and you'll be happy to know that last line even repeats in verse 2. So it'll make verse 2 a little easier. But tomorrow we're going to be learning the chorus. So practice this as many times as you need. And then tomorrow I'll see you for a really quick video to learn the chorus. Okay, bye. If you liked today's video, please click like. It gives me the encouragement I need to make more. Also, don't forget to subscribe. That way you'll miss no future songs. And lastly, share Sign Language Worship on Facebook. Find a friend to learn sign with. That way, you're both more likely to stick with it. See you later.